Hi everybody, today we are going to replace the air filter of Volkswagen Golf Mark 7 2000 Ti. This is the original filter. We are going to listen the sound with the original filter. Okay, listen, this is the original sound. And now we are going to put the racing air filter. So you have to remove all the 8 screws, this one and this one in the rear. You have to pull up like this. This is the original filter. I'm going to remove it. It's not simple with one hand. Okay. This is the old one. As you can see, we throw it away and we put the new filter in this side. Okay. That's fit very good. Close. Okay, I have fixed all the 8 screws. Now we are going to listen the sound with the other filter. Okay, that's all.